We're going to do a brief video on Airbnb stock with technical analysis, and we've got a daily chart of Airbnb here for you. It's ABNB as a symbol, and it's a daily chart with a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. Airbnb's down today $9. It's over 8% down at $99.99 right this second. The day's range is $99.43 and $104.90 on volume of 7, almost 8 million shares. Average daily volume is almost 6 million shares, and it's not. It's just right now 10:30. So let's take a quick look at this stock. As you can see, it's in a bear market. It's been a bear market since April of 2022. Came down here, put in a low June 30th, and has rallied up to the 200-day moving average here September 15th. Now, since September 15th, the stock has not showed any strength whatsoever, and you can see today we're actually below where we were all the way back across here in June. So this market is basically moving sideways for this stock, but you can see that every time this stock tries to do something, somebody hammers it. So we had a higher high here, but a lower low here. You'll notice this low is lower than this low. A higher high here, but then a lower low here. This stock is distributing on a huge broad scale as it moves across all summer and into the fall. So whenever we get a strong rally, they sell it, and that's just what happened here. You get tremendous selling here because people just don't believe in the stock. I don't know why. I don't follow the fundamentals, but they don't believe in it. Let's take a look at the hourly chart. See, you can see this is a 200-hour moving average. It's normal for a stock to oscillate back and forth across a 200-hour moving average. That's not a problem. It doesn't necessarily support it. Like right here, this bounce, that's kind of unusual. It's not, you see it, but it's not the norm like it is on a 200-day moving average. This is much more normal to have stock back and forth crossing the 200-day. And you can see this stock has zero respect through this range all the way going back to August, zero respect for the 200-hour moving average. And that shows you a stock that is just aimless, and people are just selling it whenever they can. Look at the size of this rally compared to the size of this decline. They're just selling the heck out of it every second they can, and that's just a classic distribution pattern, but it's a distribution pattern that's kind of hidden over time. Some stocks distribute like that over a month. This stock's been distributing like that over the whole summer. If you take a look at this weekly chart we're looking at right now, you can just draw a line through here roughly at $111. You can go all the way back to the week of May 22nd and see this stock hasn't gone anywhere. So there's no real interest in buying this stock. I would love to say that this stock looks like it's flattening out and looking like it could put in a rally, but I wouldn't say that. It's way too soon. You can see the 20-day moving average is flat. The green this is week 20-week moving average. The 5-week moving average is becoming flat. So this stock is just basically dead money across here. Now, can you day trade this stock or swing trade this stock? Sure, it's a $20 range in here. I'm not saying it's not all negative, but from the perspective of what's going on with this stock, this is just distribution every time somebody sells it, and then bottom pickers coming in trying to buy it. But we're getting nowhere, and that's evidenced by the fact that essentially, if you put this line across here, 110, 112, we haven't gone anywhere all through the whole summer. So what's my prognosis for this stock, my opinion for entertainment purposes only? I think this stock has several ways it can go. The first thing it can do is continue to sell down here and test this June 30th low of 86 bucks. I think that's highly likely. And I think that if we violate this low here right now of 99.71, and it looks like we have already done that. So we did that today. So my guess is that this stock's going to come down here and test this $86 level. I think you'll probably get a sell-off into low 90s here, maybe not today, but probably tomorrow or the next day. And then if we don't get a rally back up here to fill this little gap that we put in today, then we'll probably get a slight little rally and then go down here and test this bottom, because the only way for the markets to know where they're going to go is to go there and test and see if somebody's going to buy. It went here and they sold it off. It went here and they sold it off. So now we got to go down here, this other end, this lower side, and see if they'll buy it, see if there's any discount takers in here who want to support this stock. There really haven't been serious long-term holders of this stock all the way back since June. So we have to see. But my best guess is this stock's going to sell down to the low 90s probably by the end of this week, and then we'll take a look at it and see if it can rally from there. So that's what I've got for you today for this stock. We do not cover Airbnb at rbnresearch.com, but we do cover 190 stocks. Today is the 2nd of November. We have 190 plus stocks out here with 1, 2, 1, 5, and 20-day holding periods for you. You can see Apple, NIO, Tesla's all got entry prices today. Most of them are populated today. And we also cover the most liquid futures contracts, the major forex pairs, and BTC crypto. You can get them all for free at rbamresearch.com. No credit card required. There's a link in the description below. Just follow that link, go over to RBAM, put in your email address to get instant access. Everything's updated by 7 a.m. Keep in mind, everything you've heard and seen on here is for entertainment purposes only. You can only use our entry prices and commentary for entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a great comment for us, we'd love to hear it in the comment section below.